On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about text-related CSS properties. You can learn about the usage and how to write the text align, text decoration, and text transform properties. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Please make use of it. Let's first look into the text align property. Text align is a property in CSS used to specify the horizontal alignment of text in inline elements. It is typically used to align paragraph or heading text to the left, right, or center. It plays an important role in web page layout and text formatting. Left aligns the text to the left. This is the default alignment method for many languages. Right aligns the text to the right. It is especially effective for languages written from right to left, such as Arabic and Hebrew. Center aligns the text to the center. It is frequently used for titles and headings. Justify aligns the left and right edges of lines equally, giving a neatly aligned impression. It is used in layouts like newspapers and magazines. Start aligns text based on the starting position. For languages written from left to right, it behaves the same as left alignment. End aligns text based on the ending position. In languages written from left to right, it behaves the same as right alignment. Center alignment is often used for titles of web pages and documents. It looks good and results in a visually balanced design. Text paragraphs are usually left aligned by default, but right alignment or center alignment may be used for specific designs. When justified with justify, each line of text is evenly aligned with both left and right edges. It is useful for newspaper or magazine-style layouts. Text align is a CSS property used to horizontally align text or inline elements. It can handle various layouts such as left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justification. Choosing the appropriate alignment based on the layout and design objectives is key to achieving a readable and beautiful design. Let's effectively use text alignment as part of your design with Text Align. Next, let's look at the text decoration property. Text decoration is a CSS property used to apply underlines, overlines, strike-throughs, or custom-styled lines to text. By using this property, you can make text styling more decorative or visually emphasized. The text decoration underline class displays an underline on text. The text decoration overline class draws a line above the text. The text decoration line through class applies a strike through to the text. The text decoration custom underline class is an example of customizing the underline color, style, and thickness. Specifying none will remove any decorations from the text. Used when you want to remove the underline from links, for example. Specifying underline will draw an underline under the text. It can be used for links or parts you wish to emphasize. Specifying overline will draw a line over the text. Used for changing the appearance or for special decoration. Specifying line through will draw a strike through across the text. It is used to indicate corrections. Blink is a value that causes the text to blink, but it is not actually used as it is not supported by most browsers anymore. Text decoration allows for detailed settings as follows. The text decoration color property allows you to specify the color of underlines or strike-throughs. By default, it matches the text color, but you can add a visual accent by choosing a different color. The text decoration style property allows you to specify the style of decorative lines. The values include the following. Solid, default, solid line. Double, double line. Dotted, dotted line. Dashed, dashed line. Wavy, wavy line. The text decoration thickness property allows you to specify the thickness of decorative lines. You can adjust it using units like 2px or 0.1 m, for example. Text decoration is a property for adding decorative lines to text, such as underlines or strike-throughs. With text decoration color, text decoration style, and text decoration thickness, more detailed customization is possible. It is frequently used to emphasize links or important text, or as a design element. Using text decoration, you can add subtle accents or emphasis to text. Next, let's look at the text transform property. Text transform is a CSS property for transforming the case of text. This property allows you to control the display format of text specified in HTML, automatically converting the case of user-entered or existing text. The text transform none class displays text without changing it from the original. The text transform capitalize class converts the first letter of each word to uppercase. The text transform uppercase class converts the entire text to uppercase. The text transform lowercase class converts the entire text to lowercase. Specifying none leaves the text unchanged. Specifying capitalize converts the first letter of each word to uppercase. Word boundaries are recognized by spaces or punctuation. Specifying uppercase converts the entire text to uppercase. Specifying lowercase converts the entire text to lowercase. Specifying full width converts text to full width characters. This is typically used as a special style when dealing with kanji or kana, but few browsers support it. Text transform is a convenient CSS property for changing the case of text. It is often used to create a visual consistency for headings, navigation menus, and form text. It is useful when you want to display text in a specific style regardless of user input. By using this property, you can easily manipulate text while maintaining visual consistency. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.